Hello, my name is Alexandra Luque. Today I'm talking about of the magazine BU. Okay, I was a very sensible girl at school. I really liked studying, doing homework, and sharing with my friends. I was not ashamed to speak in public, and for that reason I got good grades in exhibitions. At home I was also very judicious and obedient my parents. I helped them at home with the chores. I was always happy and I like to sing. I really like dressing like that. I was happy. I like to sing all the time. Sing very, very time. Eh, Always be you. Thank you. Bye.